2,287% annualized returns simply for staking your Shiba Shootout. Guys, this has got to be one of the most lucrative projects right now because this has already been out for a couple of months, and these staking rewards have been stacking. Anybody who got in early enough is already seeing insane amounts of Shiba Shootout stacking up in their portfolio, and you could as well. You're way too early. I don't even know how to say it other than that. You're way too early to this one. We're gonna be talking about it in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got Shiba Shootout on the screen, and you're gonna like this one. At its heart, it is a meme coin. At its heart, it takes perfect advantage of the Shiba Inu coin level of hype. You've seen the dogecoin tokens out there. Now it's time to see the Shiba Inu coin tokens out there, and this is one of them. Now, if at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, please make sure you use that link down in the description below. It's going to pull you up to this website right here. From there, it is very easy to click Connect Wallet, determine how you want to connect your wallet. I like to use Wallet Connect and scan this QR code right here, but you can do so however you wish. From there, you're going to determine how much you want to buy. If you'd like to buy 5 Ethereum worth, you're walking away with 865,773 Shiba Shootout. Why? Because it's already nearly 2 cents per token. We're not talking about one of those tiny little meme coins that's sitting at 0.00000 whatever. We're already talking about potentially hitting 5 cents, 10 cents, 50 cents, $1 as Shiba Shootout rises in price and rises in popularity over time. Of course, you could buy a nice round number if you would like. 80,000 Shiba Shootout. It's going to be 0.45322722087 Ethereum. And you can also buy with BNB or USDT on either network. But you need to pay attention to this right here. If you decide to buy with Ethereum, 2,287% annualized interest. Now take a look at these staking rewards right here, guys. These are incredible, and they're not going to last forever. They have been doing a very good job so far for anybody who is willing to get in early, but I imagine with the fear to greed index ticking back up, moving from a level of neutrality into greed, you are going to see more and more people pouring into these little meme coins, and that is going to cause the rewards to be split between more and more people. And as they are, this number is going to go down. So you want to take advantage of it as early as possible so that you can earn as high as rewards as possible. Now, from there, let's talk about the price action. Let's talk about what this is. Only $477,000 has been sold so far. You're going to watch this number go up, and you're going to watch this number begin to go up very quickly. And this number is either, this price here of 0.0194 cents is going to increase in 1 day, in 13 hours, or it's going to increase when $1.219 million has been met. Now, at this level, because the overall market has been so difficult in June, going into July here, I do believe this timer is going to tick down before this threshold is met. But as that fear to greed index ticks back up, you're going to see these price stages met, and this price is going to increase. So if you guys want to get in at the lowest price that you possibly can, now is the time. Of course, after launch, it's going to be up to the market to see where the price goes, but with staking rewards like that, I can't imagine it's going to last too much longer. So going through here, you can kind of meet some of the characters that they're trying to build up along their storyline. You can explore the town, but let's talk about the utility, and let's talk about what Shiba Shootout is. Now, utility ideas, Posse Rewards. Join the Posse Rewards referral program. Invite friends to join the Shiba Showdown community and earn bonus tokens for you and your referred friends. The larger your posse, the greater the rewards. Sign up now. It's at the right-hand side of the screen. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I'm going to click it, and it brings you down to the bottom. Claim your free Shiba Shootout tokens. All you got to do, name, email, phone, accept the terms and conditions, and grab your free Shiba Shootout. Guys, from there, campfire stories. They're going to have spaces out on X held regularly for their community. Token governance roundups. You're going to be able to see, the same way you would vote in a DAO, you're going to be able to vote with your Shiba Shootout tokens on which direction they go next. Lucky Lasso lotteries. A lot of people get very excited about this. Try your luck in the Lucky Lasso lottery system where participants use Shiba Showdown tokens for a chance to win big crypto prizes, with a portion supporting charitable initiatives. Savings saddlebags. Use savings saddlebags to automatically allocate a percentage of tokens to a dedicated wallet locked up for a specific period and earning extra tokens as rewards. Dude, so not only can you guys make excellent money on the price volatility after this token launches, you're gonna be able to set aside some in a savings account so that you guys can earn for the long term as well. And Cactus staking. I mean, there's nothing more to say about these staking rewards. You guys can see them at the top of the screen. Beyond phenomenal. 2,287% is unmatched for a token that is building something as big as Shiba Shootout is. So pay attention to those staking rewards. You're going to watch them come down rather quickly as the market rebounds here, because more and more people are going to be taking advantage of them. Now, let's take a look at the roadmap real quick. 3 phases to their roadmap. Phase 1 is currently what they're doing here, and they're getting ready. Once the pre-sale ends, they're going to be launching. You're going to see the CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listings. 1,000+ holders. I imagine they're going to hit that during their pre-sale. And Shiba Shootout trending on Twitter with the meme power. Absolutely, man. 5,000 holders. They might hit that during the pre-sale as well. Community partnerships, Shiba Shootout Times digital newsletter, formation a token gated Discord group. All right, man. Discord group simply for holders, and then centralized exchange listings and 10,000 holders. Check this out. Phase 3, you get merch, academy, tools, tier 1 listing, and 100,000 holders, and blockchain takeover, baby. These guys got very high ambitions, and I love it. Now, moving on from there, the tokenomics are very simple, which is what I like to see. 35% of the tokens dedicated to the presale, 20% of the tokens dedicated to staking, 10% go to project funds, 10% to liquidity, 20% to marketing, and 5% for the Rootin' Tootin' Shooter Fund. So let's see what that Rootin' Tootin' Shooter Fund is. It's a special stash of 110 million Shiba Shootout tokens, making up 5% of our supply. It's set aside to reward the most daring sharpshooters. So, dude, if you guys want to earn even more rewards, make sure to check out Shiba Shootout. From there, you can see their gallery, of course, and you can get a little bit better an idea of what they're doing. But always get your questions answered. And you can see right here the frequently asked questions. This one I see the most, so this is the one you're getting the answer to. When can you claim your Shiba Shootout tokens? The official date and time for claiming will be announced shortly after the presale concludes. Stay tuned to their official channels for exact details. You've got their Telegram group right here that you can go out and join, 2,420 members strong. And then, of course, you've got their X account right here that you can go out and follow, 928 followers strong. These guys have been doing a very good job of staying active out on X, posting every single day, and getting some decent engagement for the amount of followers that they have. 481, 477, 381. And you know what? A lot of people think, wow, man, there's so many other projects that are growing so much. Yeah, sure. They might have more followers out on X right now. But the fact that these guys are staying true and the fact that they're staying organic shows you truly just how honest they are. So it's hard to come by in the cryptocurrency space, trust me. But 928 real followers, those of which are engaging on a daily basis, is exactly what you want to see, especially as the market has downturned over the last month and a half. Let me know what you guys think about Shiba Shootout down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.